Crawl you.
咦，喂喂喂 what？
I crawl
你尿到你的脚是吗？
没有啦，toilet 湿淡淡的。恭喜发财，早生贵子，万事如意。Welcome to Six Production New Office。等等 ，OK， 进来进来，不要给人家看到 ，competitor 最近很多。
哇 ，so beautiful. This is your new office. How big is it?
Alright, this is a new Six Production office cum studio. It's on paper it's 3750, but actual size is about 2000 because our ceiling is about 6 meters. So they actually factor in the airspace.
Oh, okay, okay.
Right, so basically airspace you can actually build a loft lah, but I
Like a second level lah.
second level, but no money lah, so cannot build lah. So, but I actually like high ceiling. The
Okay.
feeling of high ceiling is like you are living in the penthouse like that.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
do feel like.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, but okay. Why not we start with an office tour first?
Can, no problem.
So the first thing I step into the office is actually the flooring here.
Yes.
It feels like Evo Rich flooring.
Yeah, Evo Rich flooring, when you step on it, right, you can actually feel it's an Evo Rich flooring. Zhao bei xiam wan, okay? Because being a good friend, okay, when you hear upon that we are moving to new office, they are very, very supportive. So they came, they look, they measure, and they concur. They actually propose that that we need to have this kind of flooring.
Ah,
You see.
okay,
Because,
okay.
I did say that because right now our new studio we have a photo shoot area, we have stage, we have kitchen, which I will bring you guys along later. I need a little bit white. It is also
Like give it a clean look.
clean look, but of course good for editing. You see, let's say we have shoot and things like
Okay.
that, right? So imagine the floor is actually dark color, red color. It's very hard.
Okay,
For
okay.
shoot, you see. So that's why I suggest that I want something a little bit white. So
Okay.
being the only certified case trust vinyl flooring in Singapore, so they really look into my request. And I think within 4 hours, they actually do up about 4-5 hours. In the middle of the night.
So this 2,000 over square feet was done just in 4 hours?
Yes, yes, yes. So during one of the night about, I believe about 8-9 plus, they came. I think about 2 o'clock, they actually done up the whole flooring already.
Oh, wow, interesting.
Yes,
So
so-
what is the unique selling point if we use Evo Rich flooring?
Okay, the good thing about Evo Rich is really slip-proof, scratch-proof, fire-proof.
I heard that it's termite free also.
Yeah, it's termite free because
Okay.
it's vinyl flooring. And the good thing about it is, if we move, the flooring can be taken out to move with you.
Oh.
Yes.
So technically it's not like wasted money just to throw here, 2 years later, 3 years later, you want to move out. You just say, oh, I'm moving out. Can you please remove the vinyl flooring and let's bring it to the new place?
Yes, precisely. So it can follow you wherever you go. That's what I like about
Good
Evo Rich
investment
flooring. Yes,
on
yes,
this.
yes.
Okay, okay. So the next thing I found was this very, very huge and tall window panels. Then now it's like, let's say, now it's
it's
about
noon.
11, going 12. Isn't the sun blazing hot at that timing?
Yes, actually back then, when I took this unit, right, the feeling of this place is, it have to be good.
Okay.
As a creative person, right, I need to have a good vibe,
Yes.
So I walk in, high ceiling, big space, of course full glass window. I really like it. But during that time, I've forgotten that whether afternoon sun or not. Well, the last 2 months back when we came few times, it's always been raining because it's like December,
Yes,
November,
it's the end
December.
of the year.
Yeah, see, so we don't really get to see the sun.
Yes, yes.
So got one afternoon I came at 3:30. I realized, wow, I can retrieve suntan here. It's like the sun come like half of the unit, you see.
Okay.
So being 6 meter tall ceiling, right, if I do curtain, do blind, it's very expensive. So in order to solve the problem, I managed to find textile glass coating, which I spoke to the boss, and he managed to give me a very, very good rate.
Very reasonable price
Very
lah.
reasonable price, because I'm a bit worried that being a 6 meter tall,
It's going to cost a lot.
yeah,
Because
that's-
I see the area here is such a big area
big
to
glass
cover.
panel, yeah, because I worry that they tell me need scissors, leaf, or sky folding and this and that. I was like, huh?
Oh,
But he
okay.
managed to have this ladder that actually I don't know, like a transformer, ding ding dong dong, then he can go all the way up and paste for me. So with this solar fan, it managed to block 95% of the sun ray coming in.
Yes.
And it also block the heat from the sun, because if let's say if there's a heat in the sun, the aircon have to work very hard. So you waste a lot of electricity, you see.
Yes.
So with this solar fan, which really help us a lot.
Okay. So I realized just now when you mentioned about the aircon working so hard, I found 4 units over here. What company are they from?
Trentions. So Trentions was a company actually after also again hearing that we are moving to a new place.
Okay.
Call me up because last year we actually helped them to shoot a commercial. And they actually like our work.
Okay.
And they heard about it and they want to come in and also support us with the aircon. You see, so but being such a big place, high ceiling, right? So he feel that maybe 4 units will be good enough. But a lot of people tell me that you need more.
But so far now, because all 4 are on, I think it's more than enough.
Yeah. In fact, my team keep complaining it's very cold because at first I adjust about 20 degrees.
Yeah.
But because they keep complaining it's very cold, so
How cold is it now?
so now it's about 22, 24.
Oh,
So
okay,
I adjust
okay.
about that temperature because every time when I see them, wow, they got layer of jacket like that. You see, so that's why I adjust the temperature. So
Office is always like that.
4 units is actually good enough. It's good enough already.
Okay. So now, what else do you want to recommend me? Where
Let's
do you want to
go.
bring me?
I will bring you to the red couch area.
Let's go!
Right, welcome to another episode of the Red Couch.
Welcome back to another episode of
Actually, it's not the red couch.
Wrong.
Yeah. It's,
We are still at Reno Pomelo.
we are still at Reno Pomelo. See,
Just that they brought the red
Red
couch back from the old office and to the new office.
yes, so yes. Welcome to a new episode of Reno Pomelo and the Red Couch. Together, 3 in 1 budget lah. So 2 show become 1 show.
Okay, so 我要讲什么？
Welcome to another episode of 我要讲什么? This Red Couch area still will continue with us for this year, 2022. But we changed a little bit of contents. We have more people that actually join us as talents and artists and hosts at the same time.
So that means the red couch is not the end.
No,
it was still
no.
to be
Yes.
continued.
To be continued with more new direction and new concept lah. So please watch out for us. So yes, anything you want to ask about this new office?
Okay, so basically, why do you want to move?
哇，
是有
因为 office 闹鬼啊，
有
无缘无故晚上有人摸我。The old office, okay, the reason why we were at the old office because during the pandemic, our Ubi one, we need to move out. So during pandemic, it's so very difficult to find an office, right? So we decided to just park ourselves at Woodland Primary Sub. But because of Woodland Primary Sub, right, a lot of people think sex production is like fly-by-night company because it's a little bit industrial.
like sketchy that kind of
yeah.
production house.
Yeah, it's like you walk in, it's like, wow, where got production house look like that one?
So maybe let your audience know where are you located now?
We're at 81 Targo Lane, Tag A.
We'll put the address here, okay? So
No, we'll put the email, anything just write to us. Don't any address. Wait, any ding dong ah, what's in boing ah.
okay, but anyway, why do you choose Tech A?
Oh, after searching for 2 months, right, I really cannot find the office that I want. The last resort was to set up a table at the bus stop.
But what is your criteria like when you were searching for an office space?
Like I said, you must have that
Wow
comfort
factor.
and a wow factor. You see, so we've been looking from our current the X location, the next door, the behind, the front,
Just basically everywhere. in Singapore.
everywhere. But very funny, during this tough time, all rental went up.
Yes.
Which I don't understand why, you know. So either the rent I can't afford or those rent that I can afford, right? But you have to understand we are production house. So we have people like you know, we have some artists be moving in and out, right? So for the safety of my team and the artists that coming in and out, right, I had to make sure the place cannot be too complicated.
Okay.
You see, like so some places that I went is really those
You feel like
Ulu Sami.
you feel like you are in Malaysia.
Yeah, those industrial areas is quite dangerous for girls to move in. And sometimes production will end pretty late, so
Yes,
I have to make sure that.
At least it's somewhere safe.
Correct.
Where girls especially girls, they can go back
Especially
safely.
me also lah. So we also have 24-hour security here. We also have every morning and every evening we have even free shuttle bus to transport people out to the MRT
So that means your colleagues actually take the shuttle bus
Yes.
to work and back home.
Yeah, not back home lah. The shuttle bus will not send you home lah. You see how
I mean,
it's
I
only
mean
to
like
MRT
the MRT
station.
stations.
Yes,
Which MRT station?
Ang Mo Kio MRT station.
Only?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why. Back then when I signed, they told me 2 MRT. Then when I signed, it become 1 MRT.
But
Very
either way,
funny.
Ang Mo Kio I think is quite centralized.
Yes.
But other than the shuttle bus, what other facilities does Tech A have?
We have swimming pool. We have gym. We have basketball court. We have barbecue pit. We have a running track.
Wow! So as long as you're a tenant here, you can just use.
Yeah. You can use the facility
Oh,
at
that's
this
so
moment.
nice.
It's just that because office no gathering my tuami so the barbecue pit is actually closed.
Currently
Yes.
currently closed.
Yes.
Okay.
Then in terms of food, we have amazing food downstairs. We almost have breakfast every morning downstairs. Then opposite just opened up a new Thai coffee shop. It's called MBK Mapung Kong, and I don't know why my guys love to eat there every day. So it's cheap, it's good, and
Definitely it's good. That's why you keep
yeah,
going back.
I think almost about 3 times a week I've been eating there. It's really
It's
good.
just across the street.
It's just across the street. Yeah, see. So in terms of food, it's not as adventure as our old office, but this area, because we also have kitchen, so sometimes I do cook something for my team to eat.
Have yet to burn down the kitchen. Just beside the red couch, I'm looking at this TV named Swash.
Yes.
So, why do you need a TV here? But it doesn't really look at the TV. It looks more like a teaching equipment.
Yes. So this Swash TV.
Swash.
Yes.
Swash. Yes.
It's a very good friend of mine also. When of course upon hearing that we have a new office, again being very supportive. Well, lucky I got friends, so they actually give us this TV. So this TV, please check out their website, check out their Instagram, what this TV function is about. So it's a smart TV, 4K, but it also a whiteboard. That means basically when we're having a meeting around this area, right, we can convert this to a whiteboard that we actually can write something. So after writing something, right, there will be a QR code, right? So they actually take a picture of the QR code, right? So the file can actually straight away transfer into their device. Yes. So again, it can also do Zoom meeting. You see, so the TV also got a built-in camera.
So it's like really a multifunctional TV.
Yes. It's really not just a TV by itself. So it's a whiteboard, it's a Zoom. You can do Zoom meeting. You can surf net. You can watch Netflix.
Okay.
You can watch YouTube, and you have so many things that you can do with this TV. Which in the later part we actually will tell you how does this TV function.
But personally, what is your 2 favorite function of this TV?
I think so far we've been using the whiteboard for every Monday morning is our team meeting. So we'll be using the whiteboard for the meeting. Then plus on top of that, during the festive season, I also use this TV to serve YouTube to play some Christmas song.
Okay. Oh, this is quite a good idea.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So totally love this TV. Check that out, and we will talk more in our other show that will be coming up soon on this TV.
I think maybe just a few sessions I mean, just talking through like this, you won't know the full function of the Swash TV.
It took out quite a while to actually learn about this TV. It's not like on-off, change channel, not so easy.
So we have come to the end of part 1, where is the office tour by Eddie. Next, in the next part, we will look out for their photo shoot area, their kitchen area, their stage area, And yeah, we can go on from there.
Yes, so in the next episode, we will dive into where's our photo shoot area and what is the stage for, and of course what's the kitchen for also. And actually the most proud one is actually our kitchen, you know. So our kitchen is really very good. Yeah. So we'll see you next episode. This is Eddie, this is Dinah, signing off from
We'll see you next time.
Reno Pomelo. Not the red couch. Bye.
Bye.